Okay.
So alright guys, so right now we are in Vegas, you know what I'm saying? Out here. So I don't even know if we're in Vegas, honestly. This looks nothing like Vegas, you know what I'm saying? For real. But yeah, we're gonna go do some shopping at a 99-cent store because 99 cents, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, so what's up, bro? Where we at?
We're in Vegas, baby.
Woo! We out here. Hey guys, it's your boy Too Late out here in Vegas. I don't know what the fuck we do here, but you know, I see a lot of big ass, fat ass Charlie kid out there, you know. If you see some ass, just look at it. Oh!
Coming close, light up like neon, caught in your afterglow. Baby, you're a new song, singing back on your echo. I can't let you go. Rhythm of your love got me singing. Oh, I can't get enough. Rhythm of your love, singing back on your echo.
Hey guys. So we are lost. We don't know where the hell we're going or what we're doing here. Yeah. Honestly, I don't know.
Do you remember when our eyes met the first time? I couldn't breathe, you couldn't walk in a straight line. It's like every single scattered star aligned, and we handed over our hearts. The sweetest glances and the rush of getting caught. The happenstances, oh, who would have thought we'd ever make it? So let's make it better. The key to forever is back at the start.
Yeah guys, well, I've been in Vegas, stay in Vegas. Peace out.
Yeah. I'll tell them all this, yeah.
Alright guys, so right now we're in Santa Monica in
Yep.
LA, you know what I'm saying? Just out here, it's a beautiful night. We've been here all day, just chilling out here. But yeah, I just got done showering. The view is beautiful here. It's getting brighter and brighter as the sun goes down. You know, it should be the opposite, but it's different here. Different vibe, it's good. A lot of people around here, very busy. A lot of activity going on around here. It's crazy, man, you know. So yeah, you should come out if you want to. This place, it's kind of overrated a little bit, honestly, but it's still good, you know, in ways. It's still like, it would be fun for some people, but personally for me, it's alright. It's not all that, you know. But yeah, Santa Monica, come through, you know. Too late, you want to say anything? Go ahead and say it.
We're homeless out here, you know what I'm saying? We're homeless, like, for real. Yeah. Peace out, guys.
I'm not fat. I am not fat. Food.